The professional development we have is geared towards our students and making the environment better.
AAE was awesome and instrumental in helping my classroom through the classroom grant. And so I can see that their focus on our students is exceptional. That was one of the first things that actually drew me in.
All these people, they're all to help you, to help your students. It always comes back to helping the students.
We need things. We need information. We need to go to conferences to take these great ideas that we have and turn them into reality. And the grants and scholarships help us.
AAE's Grants and Scholarships program, it's amazing, it's phenomenal. So for my students, I selected some 3D pens. And with those 3D pens, we used them to graph out functions. And so it's opened up an opportunity for me to talk with my students about some of the math skills they might not see applied in a regular classroom.
It is important to have trusted education resources through AAE. This can be one avenue for you to get your professional development at a reduced cost or free cost to you.
The grants and scholarships for members open so many possibilities.
AAE supports the teacher profession. They are looking out for you. They want you to be successful. They want you to utilize their tools that they have.
Those grants can bring in so many resources to get students motivated, involved, excited to come to school every day.